Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Presiden Jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee wa Vincent H. Palau la kentai war baka Congress ka don jingtmu ban kenyat yau MLA pemerintah ka Nong Thamai constituency wa Charles Pingrop Shamaurin Keneng House Nam Arajar Arpulai. Uba Vincent H. Palau ha ke jing kran baka Batisi ula ong baka seng Congress kam don jingtmu eru ban pha eu ba Charles Pingrop Shamaurin Keneng House Nam Arajar Arpulai badaju opor penchairu bakam don setia ka nu jing kran halor kani ke jing pensha jong pa Pala kalong hadian boba Pingrop ulah kam bakat don gejing persang jong keseng Kongres ban pak noi u Shamaurin Keneng House Nam Arajar Arpulai kabadahi ke konstituensi ke bawlami khmat teng hakis nam ki pamenchua.
First time I've heard it from you, and in the party we don't shift a man like Pak Charles. It's up to him from where he would like to fight the election. We never had that intention to shift any of the sitting candidates, be it sitting MDCs or sitting MLAs, to be a candidate of another seat. I think I never heard that. I met Pak Charles few days also in the meeting we together. So I never told her all these issues. And it's not my job or somebody's job to shift anybody. He would have been, if he's still with the Congress, he would have contest from wherever he likes.